finally got a bite. Maybe it's a baby. Bring it all in. Let's see what we got. There is a trout. Small baby trout. It's a little too small. We'll let it go. We'll let it go. Okay. Let him live to fight another day. A little too small, gotta let it go. He had a bite. Let's see. Oh yeah. It's like they're about that size. Maybe I should just keep them. Let go of the other one. It's the second one. Maybe I should just start keeping them. Got to turn this on. Feels big. I think it's on this side. Pretty good trout right here. Finally got a whopper. Well, let's see how big this guy is. Not too bad, about a pound. Thank you. There you go. Good. The biggest trout so far. There you go. All right, here we go again. Okay, trout ở nhà luôn mà cả. Gente ñonta, kind of strong. tao. There you go, small little trout. It's 11:40 right now, and I've already caught 4, and I let go one of them. The first one was a little too small, so I let it go. It's an xiết mô phê chiếm à, y bà tu bia tao mẹ. Tại yết tao nó nín phải tê. Lý bù quảng mẹ. In hoa nắn nào mà miền. Ta bạt bèo bên là. There's not too many fishermen out here today. See a few over here at the dock. And then over here at the office, main office here, there are a few fishermen over here too. It's kind of windy, nice and cool right now. We'll see if I could catch 2 more. Most of them are about this size. It's not bad. Guess we'll keep them. There you go. They're about this size. I guess that's how big they planted. Thôi bà tút tê bia tao tút bia tao là bà tê yellow tao với bông quả mẹ. So I got 4 today. I think I'm just gonna call it.